Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: the nurse should use the diaphragm or the stethoscope to auscultate which of the following: option 1 heart murmurs, option 2 jugular venous sounds, option 3 Bowel sounds, option 4 carotid bruits. The correct answer of the question, answer 3 Bowel sounds. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.